How to keep maps north up on Google Map. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can always keep the north up on Google Maps. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you're going to have to do is go ahead and open up your Google Maps. And as you can see, I'm able to turn my maps anywhere I want. So you can see this compass right here. If I just go ahead and rotate it 180 degrees, as you can see, I have my north down, it's pointing me down, but if I just tap on it, it will reset it back up. But in order to keep your north always on the top side, what you are going to have to do is go ahead and open up your settings first, tap on your profile icon at the top right, and then from here tap on settings. Now once you land on the settings page, you're going to have to find your navigation settings. So just scroll down a bit and find navigation. And once you land on the navigation page, scroll down a bit until you find something called keep maps up. So go ahead and keep map north up, tap on it, and then now whatever you do, it will always keep your maps north up whenever you ask for directions or just browse through the city. So that's how you do it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.